Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we are going to make a set of two things because remember we've been learning about the number two. 1, 2. It looks like this. Let Miss Hendry write it. I'm going to write the number 2. All right. Make a candy cane and give it a chew. That's the way you make a 2. 2, 2, 2. Looks like a little bunny ear. All right. And so we are going to I'm going to show you how to drag two blocks into the circle. And so we're going to count as we drag them, okay? And now when we get through, this is very simple and it's going to be a short video, but when we finish, I want you to go find some Legos or some dolls. I want you to find two of something and then count them, touch them. 1, 2. All right, so we're going to drag these blocks into the circle, two of them. Ready? 1, 2. Now there are two blocks in the circle. 1, 2. 2 blocks.